everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of the 22nd through the 28th of July. This is the last full week of July. I cannot believe that July is pretty much almost over. So let's take a look at the current week. Today is Thursday, so I am on track for filming this plan with me. This week has been pretty productive, actually. I am feeling so much better. I've been managing to work out a lot more. This week is the first week that I've been doing strength training. So I did shoulders, arms, like biceps, triceps on Tuesday, and today I have my leg day. I still haven't done my workout. I normally try to work out in the afternoon, and I got my blood drawn this morning, so I'm feeling a little bit queasy, but hopefully I'll recover by the afternoon so I can get, a good workout in. So I'll leave the rest of the chit chat for the voiceover, but yeah, just wanted to let you know that I really love my spread this week. I feel like I've been very productive with just keeping my checklist to like 3 or 4, and that really keeps me focused, and I know I can manage at least 3 tasks. If I do more, I do more. So let's get into what I'm going to be using for this week. I have a kit here from Inky and the Brain. Inky and the Brain is one of my all-time favorite shops. I think we're going to do like a favorite shops video for you guys, and I'm going to talk about like my favorite weekly kit shop, my favorite character sticker shops, functional sticker shops, so on and so forth. I think I'm going to break it down into categories, but I'm probably not going to start that until I finish my declutter video. So this kit, I want to say it's called the Stand Tall kits. A lot of her kits are based on like the quote that she puts, but it is a very bright, fun, colorful kit. I don't know if she still has this in a shop, but I picked up the mid kit, which has the full boxes. It has a functional sheet here with lots of half boxes. You have some deco, which I'm probably not going to use. I've already pulled a lot of these icons into my pre-planning sheet here. It does have date covers, which I am going to use, so I don't have to pull those in. I've already pre-cut my washi. I've laid down this confetti dots, like 15 millimeter overlay tape from Girl Boss Anna. I cut it into 2, so I put them on the 2, I like to call it my top washi. And then what I did was I pulled a lot of these washi strips to kind of create my own little headers here, and I overlaid them with like confetti headers from Rose Colored Days. I'm also going to be pulling in this from Girl Boss Anna. It's a double box overlay tape, like a full box overlay tape, which I'm going to be using over some of these full boxes. And then I have some leftovers here. I think this is from her Tutti Frutti, or maybe, I don't think it's from the Kaleidoscope. I think it's like from the Tutti Frutti kit. I have some boxes here, and then my film edit and upload scripts. So yeah, let's get into this plan with me. The rest of this video is going to be a voiceover, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This week has been very interesting. Although it's been productive, it's been kind of difficult because it's so dang hot. I feel like the entire United States is going through this ridiculous heat wave. So I've been trying to get a lot of things done, but it's been very difficult. So I wasn't able to get some of the things I had on my to-do list, like cleaning out my garage. Pretty much we moved, and anything we didn't feel like organizing or just didn't feel like dealing with, we threw into the garage. Pretty decent size. It's a 2-car garage, and it fits a lot of things in there. We just have to like go through it. So we managed to get maybe half of it cleaned yesterday. We waited till nighttime, kind of opened up the garage door. It was still pretty hot out there. I was sweating my ass off, but at least I got it somewhat done. I am proud of myself. I managed to actually work out 5 days this week. So I went to yoga Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I did like a weight training routine on Tuesday and Thursday. I am feeling a little scared because there were some workouts that I did on Thursday for like legs and back that I don't feel like I can quite tolerate them. So I'm definitely going to take them out. They were kind of painful. So I'm going to take them out of my routine. I found somebody who does like physical training. I feel like I'm in this weird in between. I'm not quite damaged enough where I need physical therapy. And I learned a lot already from my physical therapy, but I also don't feel like I'm 100% where I can
just go back to the gym full time like I used to before my injury. So I need a little bit of help. I need a little bit of guidance. And I'm afraid to do kind of anything on my own because I don't know what's going to hurt me. And the only way to discover what's going to hurt me is to do it and see if it hurts and then deal with the pain. So yeah, that's not good. I think I am going to go ahead and start using a personal trainer just because I feel like I do need that little bit of guidance so that I don't hurt myself. So let's go into day by day what's going on next week. So on Monday, of course, I marked Coffee Monday. I used this script from Sophie Rose Paper Shop. And then I marked that I'm going to my yoga basics class on Monday. I may start going to hatha yoga in the morning time, but for now, I really like the instructor for yoga basics. She does something different every single time, and I do feel like I get a pretty good workout with her on Mondays. So Tuesday, I marked $2 Tuesday. I'm going to be doing arms day, so I marked a workout there. And then I have my HelloFresh delivery. I've really been enjoying HelloFresh, you guys. I think I'm going to try one more food delivery service. I think it's called plated.com or something like that. Just to kind of see which one fits my cooking style, because I do know how to cook. My husband is the one who really is trying to kind of figure it out. He knows some very basic recipes, but I'm gonna need his help this semester because there's a day where I'm just in class until 10 p.m. So I'm gonna need him to make dinner at least once a week. So that's why we're trying these different food delivery services. So then on Wednesday, I marked cleaning my cat litter. I have my hatha yoga in the morning. And then for both Tuesday and Wednesday, I marked filming because I have a lot of videos that I want to film because I am going to be going to the SPC party the following week. So I want to make sure that I have all my videos filmed and edited for both weeks. So I'm going to attempt to film a lot of videos next week, you guys. So then Thursday, I have my leg day, and I'm going to start editing a lot of those videos. I may actually start editing on Wednesday. And then filming the plan with me on Thursday. So I have a hair appointment on Friday, and I need to bring a whole bunch of donations that I have because my stylist, she takes donations for her church. So I have some clothes and some shoes and some bags and a couple of different household items that I'm donating to her. So I need to make sure I pack that up Thursday night for Friday. And then Friday I also have my last yoga session. It's more like a restorative yoga. So then Saturday I'm going to be pretty busy because I have my friend's birthday party and I'm going to be making another brisket. So that's pretty much all day cooking. Sunday I have my planner meetup, and then I want to make sure I relax a little bit. So I want to paint my nails and get a face mask done. So yeah, I'm filling in my week with my favorite pen, the Papermate Inkjoy gel pen in the 0.7. I love this pen. I really like the way this spread turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And on Sundays, I like to post a plan with me. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.